Please welcome to my channel and welcome to my HSLC Science Paper Solution Part 2 2020. General Science Solution Part 2. I will solve the first 5 multiple choice questions in the first part video. The link is given in description. Please see it. Now I will solve 5 remaining questions in this video. So let's begin. Number 1. For each question given below, 4 answers are given. Out of 4, only 1 is correct. Select the correct answer. If a cross is made between the plants having TT and TT genetic composition, which type of plants we will obtain in the next generation? Options are given below. Number 1, tall and dwarf both. And number 2, only tall. And number 3, only dwarf. And number 4, none of the above. Answer of this question is number 2, only tall. And the next question is, which type of following lens says would you prefer to use while reading very small letters? Number 1, a convex lens of focal length 50 cm. Number 2, a convex lens of focal length 5 cm. Number 3, a concave lens of focal length 50 cm. And number 4, a concave lens of focal length 5 cm. And answer of this question is number 2, a convex lens of focal length 5 cm. The next question is, which the change of focal length of an eye lens is caused by the action of the number 1, pupil, number 2, retina, number 3, ciliary muscles, and number 4, iris. Answer of this question is number 3, ciliary muscles. And number I, which type of the following terms does not represent electrical power in a circuit? Options are number 1, IR square, number 2, I square R, number 3, V square by R, number 4, VI. And answer of this question is number 1, IR square. IR square. Number C, which of the following constitute a food chain? Options are given below. Number 1, grass, fish, and goat. Number 2, goat, cow, and elephant. Number 3, grass, goat, and human. Number 4, grass, wheat, and mango. And answer of this question is number 2, grass, goat, and human. The link of the first part of this video is given below in description. To get 10 numbers of previous solved papers of any subject, please subscribe, press the bell icon, and like and share this video. You can ask me any question and you can join in my online coaching for class 10 subjects Math, Science, English, Bodo. To get information, contact number is given below. Finally, thanks for watching.